Hey everybody, Mike Donato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be running a cleaning cycle on the all-new Jura E6. For this process, you're going to need Jura cleaning tablets, which are available in a 6-pack or a 25-pack. And pro tip, I always recommend having a container or some sort of receptacle to put underneath the spouts to catch all your spent water. To start this process, you're going to select the gear, at which point you're going to select clean. The first thing the machine will ask you is to empty the drip tray. Even if you've already done it, remove the drip tray, ensure it's empty, wait about 30 seconds, and replace it on the machine. You're then going to add the receptacle underneath your central spouts. Once you've done that, you're going to wait for the machine to ask you to add tablet. You're then going to take a single cleaning tablet, open up the pre-ground chute in the back, and add it. Once you've added the tablet, you're going to wait about 15 minutes. The machine is then going to flush water through the tablet, through your brewing unit, to remove any coffee fats, oils, any stale remnants left over, right into your receptacle. Once that's done, you're going to empty the receptacle, empty your drip tray one last time, and you're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some fun and cool content, and our website, fiamma.ca, for all your maintenance product needs.